You think these are cute?
Just get snacks.
I want to just get snacks. Come on, party pooper. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome or welcome back to another day in the life of a stay-at-home mom vlog. If you're new here, hello and welcome to you, girl. My name is Anissa and this is
Riley.
And we have Amari back here as well, you guys. It is not our original day for gymnastics, but we're doing a makeup class since the power outages and all that jazz. So we are on our way there right now. Quickly had to grab everything and run out of the house. I had a lot of things going on this morning as far as like editing videos and getting them uploaded to YouTube, so it could be there. But anyways, you guys, we're on our way to gymnastics. We got a lot of things going on today. Lots of errands, cleaning, washing laundry, you know, the usual regular stuff. But we're on our way to gymnastics right now. If you have not already, go ahead and hit the like button because I mean, sis, why would you wait? Okay. And if you are not subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button because we would love to have you join a part of our little YouTube family that we got going on here. But anyways, let me stop jibber jabbering, rambling. We got to get to gymnastics. We have like 5 minutes to get there. But anyways, you guys, let's go ahead and get into this vlog. So we just finished up at gymnastic. Ryland's coach said that she did extremely well. There is one thing that we have to work on with her cartwheels. She said that she feels like Ryland thinks that she's too tall to like put her legs straight up, all the way straight up, since she needs to work on extending her legs. But she said that she's doing really well. How did you feel, baby?
I don't know.
She's a little irritated with me because she wanted a treat from in there and I wouldn't buy it for her because I told her we're going to the store anyways. We just got an alert, you guys, that they may be cutting the power again. So I don't feel too great about that. I'm gonna check in with my sister and see if the power is still on. We're actually going to head to Target right now to look for something at the bullseye section that I had saw, and then probably to Walmart to get some more sleepers. I just want to grab a couple of sleepers for Amari just in case they do happen to cut off the power. Remember the little one piece that I got for Amari with the pink and with the white heart on there that she wore yesterday? Yeah, so I want to grab a couple more of those because those fit her really well. They kept her warm. It's good quality. So I want to grab a couple of more just in case we're not able to get to the laundry. So she has a couple of clean outfits for time being. So we had a quick trip to Target. Jojo had called. He's locked outside of the house. He doesn't have his key. So we have to rush back home. We're all the way on the other side of town too. So we have to rush back home. So I didn't film too much in Target. But we did grab a couple of things. I hit up like all the little clearance areas really quick. I was looking for, I was looking for a little trinket jar because I saw something. You're welcome, baby. Because I saw something really cute a creator did. She had turned like a little trinket jar into a match holder for candles for Valentine's Day, and I thought that was super duper cute. Wanted the clear one, like the exact one that she showed, but they didn't have it. They only had this red one, and I'm okay with that because it's for Valentine's Day. So I'm gonna use this little red one. It's $3, and then Ryland got a Prime. And then I grabbed this Bloom sparkling energy drink. I want to try to get into Bloom. I always see young women and mothers speaking on Bloom, and it's probiotic. So I'm going to try this instead of like Red Bull and stuff like that. This flavor that I got is strawberry watermelon. So we're going to test that out and see how it goes. We're on our way home to let Jojo into the house, and then he has work at 1:30, and then we gotta come back out, head back out. I promised Ryland a trip to the Dollar Tree. We didn't go to Walmart. I'm just gonna X that off the list today because we're not even sure if the power is going to be off or not. I said Walmart because we were down at that end already. But I promised Rylan a trip to the Dollar Tree. Ready to grab some snacks? Okay. We're at the Dollar Tree, y'all. Miss Mari is sleeping. Come on. Look how cute. Valentine socks. You think these are cute?
Just get snacks.
I want to just get snacks. Come on, party pooper. Don't push me. Hey. Knock it off. I was going to look for some things for your classmates. Okay. No, I thought we just came for snacks, remember? Isn't that what you said? Come on. Huh? That's cute. You have one of those in purple. Remember?
Yeah, but I think you guys threw it away because it had mold in it.
Why would I throw it? Because it had wood in it?
Mold in it.
No way, Jose. Those look like that's all girly stuff. What about the boys?
You don't have no boys. What's our group?
No, I was talking about for your whole entire class. You just want to get stuff for the girls, for your friends?
No.
Good try.
Give me the boy shark thing. Those.
Heart notepads. Those are cute.
And then we can get these. Because one has dinosaurs.
Okay, let's plan.
Let me think.
Let's think this all out. Hold on. What are these?
I don't want the sharks. I want the dinosaurs.
Want the dinosaurs? Those are what, notepads?
Yeah.
Yeah, they say heart notepads. Okay. So since COVID, we're not allowed to do food snacks or treats or anything like that. So everything has to be like stationary supplies when it comes to the kids. So we're not those. So we're not able to do like candy and stuff like that. We have to do stationary supplies. So Dollar Tree's good for that, for buying bulk stuff, especially when... Because do you ever get candy from people at school, baby? No, because we're not allowed to do it since COVID. I want to go down this aisle here. Let's see. I see something cute. Look at this. This is so cute. It's very light though. It feels like, what is this? It's dice decor. It's pretty light, but it says be mine. It is dirty. This one is dirty. Kiss me. Love.
What does this one say?
It says all of the same things. I think those are so cute. I want to grab one.
But I didn't hear
Let mommy
what
see
this
the pink one.
says.
Let mommy see the pink one. It all says the same thing. Oh, the pink ones are different. Ooh, this one's dirty, but it's the only pink
This one says
one.
tic-tac-toe.
And this one has X's, hugs and kisses, X and O's. True love. I'm gonna grab this one, but I'm gonna wipe it off. It's $3. I'm gonna have to wipe it off because it's super dirty, but it's cute.
Yeah. Okay, we're gonna couple of
Look, there's a mat. Love lives here. This is cute.
Can you get a couple of candies?
No, okay, y'all. So we just got home, and I just noticed I cannot drink this, huh?
Look.
Okay, cool. That's cool. That's smart. I cannot drink this, you guys. It says that it's a energy drink and it has natural energy, boosts metabolism, and supports the mood, right? So I'm thinking, oh, for sure, it's natural ingredients. I can drink this. No. On the side, it says, caution, do not consume this product if you are pregnant or nursing. Can't drink this. So I am drinking some Grape Crush instead, because I cannot drink that. The Crush is soda, but it's like, it don't even fizz long, y'all. Like, and I have a whole bunch of ice in it, so this is not gonna hurt me. It's not as good for me, but as far as caffeine goes and stuff like that. But I really thought I could drink this. Where are the energy drinks for the nursing mothers, for the breastfeeding mothers? Maybe I need to come up with one. Would y'all buy it? Drop down in the comments below. Would y'all buy an energy drink for nursing mothers? Like if it was a natural energy drink? I'm gonna have to look and put that on the market because I was so looking forward to this. Man, it is what it is. But we just got home. I just nursed Amari, set Rylan up. She's talking to Noah currently on her tablet. Not too sure what I'm about to get into. I might edit a video. Oh no, I should try and wash some laundry while we still have the power on because the power is still on. I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna do that.
Hold on, hi.
I just went to Vaughn's. I picked up some fried chicken from them, a little 8-piece, some breasts, wings, drumsticks, and all that stuff because we are going to be making fried chicken and waffles. Well, we're not making the chicken. Quick meal. If you like fried chicken and waffles like Roscoe's and stuff like that, Vaughn's chicken is fire, baby, okay? Their chicken is fire. So buy you some chicken from whatever grocery store or whatever chicken you like and then make some waffles. So I'm on my way to get some waffle mix and milk. By the time I get back home from running these last minute errands, my laundry should be ready to go in the dryer. Alright you guys, I'm back home. I'm gonna go ahead and get started on dinner. Already got the chicken, just need to go ahead and make the waffles. If you guys like Roscoe waffles, you need to be adding some ground cinnamon into your mix and then some vanilla extract, okay? All that mixing got your girl thirsty. Okay, y'all, I had a little extra, so I made the one little one right there, but I got 2 full-size Belgian waffles out of that. It smells so good. I wish you guys could smell it. But we're gonna go ahead and eat.